Hello and welcome to the Reliable Accountants educational video series. If you're a small business owner in Australia, understanding how the ATO defines personal services income, or PSI, is crucial for your tax obligations. So let's dive into the ATO's step-by-step approach to determine if your income is classified as PSI. Step 1. Determine if your income is PSI. PSI is income mainly earned from your personal efforts, skills, or expertise. For instance, if you're a consultant advising clients or a software developer designing programs, that's PSI. On the other hand, income from selling products or renting out machinery doesn't count as PSI. Step 2. Apply the PSI tests. The ATO has 4 tests to check if your business qualifies as a personal services business, or PSB, and can claim typical tax deductions. First up, the results test. You pass if your work produces a specific outcome, you provide your own tools, and you're responsible for fixing defects. For example, a plumber paid after repairing a leak passes this test. Next, the 80% rule. You fail this if 80% or more of your income comes from one client. If you fail, you must pass another test or get a PSB determination from the ATO. Then, the unrelated clients test. You pass if you have income from 2 or more unrelated clients obtained through public advertising or job boards. A graphic designer working for multiple companies found online meets this criterion. The employment test is another you pass if you employ or subcontract others for at least 20% of the work or have an apprentice. An architect outsourcing drafting work passes this test. Lastly, the business premises test. You pass if you maintain a physical business location, not a home office, exclusively for your business. A physiotherapist working from a rented clinic meets this test. Step 3. Assess PSI implications. If your income is classified as PSI and you don't meet the PSB tests, special PSI rules apply. This means certain deductions, like home office rent, are denied, and PSI must be attributed to the individual providing the service. Step 4. Reporting PSI. Declare PSI separately in your tax return using PSI schedules. If you operate through a company, partnership, or trust, attribute PSI to the individual earning it. Let's look at a practical example. Alex, an IT consultant, earns $120,000 from one client and $30,000 from another. His work relies on his expertise, so he fails the results test but passes the unrelated clients test. Therefore, Alex qualifies as a PSB and doesn't have PSI deductions denied. There you have it. Understanding PSI can save you a lot of headaches come tax time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more small business tips. For any tax-related assistance, reach out to Reliable Accountants at 1300 049 534.